power strip PNI SmartHome SM3000 is a device that can be remotely controlled from a distance through the GSM network or using voice controls when it is paired with your smartphone through Amazon Alexa or Google Home using Brightphone app that may be downloaded from Google Play or the App Store. Technical specifications are Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, supply voltage 90 to 264 VAC, consumption 50 amperes, maximum load 2200 watts, 3 Schuko output 230 volts, 4 USBs 1 ampere, dedicated app compatible with Android and iOS, overload protection, short circuit protection, overvoltage protection, cable length 300 centimeters.